So in project-based learning, we call this, first is to create awareness. So awareness means that why you need to change, why we need to learn. Then you go into alignment. That means, in other words, if I spend $1 in learning, what is the transformation in terms of getting back in return? Then the next one is action. Who does what, when, where, and where. So in today's world, we do not necessarily have to travel all the way to a foreign country to get the job done. We can actually plan in detail. Sometimes planning must be done together, but in executing, we can use remote control through the internet system. So this will actually help to cut down the cost a lot. For example, the CCTV, you can have it using the GPS, and you can monitor and control whatever is happening in somewhere 15,000 kilometers away. And now come to our buy-in, which is called adoption. Different culture has different rate of adoption, so we must try to understand, especially in action learning, the speed of change. Some people change very fast because their culture is that they can accept new technology. Some people change slow because their culture says that from their past experience, this will replace their job and they have to go for retraining. So all this has to be carefully analyzed and explained, the cause and effect, especially in today's technology. And finally, before you close the project, a lot of people just close it because they don't record down what learning has taken place. But in project-based action learning, before you close the project, you must validate that in actual fact you have identified the root of the problem. Therefore, now you can record down what is the next best solution. So an action learning organization in actual fact will be better than a learning organization, because a learning organization is passive. I learn. An action organization says that we learn together as a team, as a whole organization, and to move forward. Maybe there's some of the projects we have to offload, or you have to drop it because it's no longer profitable, it's no longer our core competence. So in this case, is a reality check all the different phases of our action learning life cycle. Thank you.